Holy crap. After a month of waiting, we finally have it. Hello everyone, this is Neptune Storm. We're back here with another unboxing video. And my roof is getting fixed up, so there's probably gonna be a lot of noise in the background. But that's besides the point. It's been nearly a month since we've gotten this off of eBay. Potentially even over a month. And it was kind of a whole infuriating situation. Despite that, I genuinely don't blame anyone. This was no one's fault. There was just a miscommunication. But it did take a month because it's a long story. We lost a package. We lost this package, and we tried to get in contact with the post office, and then we were able to a bit, but it seemed like there was still a lot of confusion at the Hoover post office, and then also at the Birmingham post office. We were really confused about what was going on. We were worried that the package wouldn't arrive at all, but it has. Thank goodness. But this is I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, like I said, I don't blame anyone. I'm not mad at anyone in specific. But it was a very messy situation. But we finally have it. So I'm gonna see. Can I prop this up? I might have to do that. Maybe? Yeah, there was also a tornado warning in Enterprise earlier, which pretty shocking. We weren't under a single risk. Here's the adapter. Yeah, so special. It's an adapter. Oh my god. I need scissors for this. I'm not sure. It's taped shut. Oh my goodness! Here it is! The SFA1150. The first alert. Holy crap. It's pretty big for a weather radio, I gotta say. I feel like it's always the smaller looking radios that end up actually bigger in person, and the ones that look like they're gonna be bigger end up smaller. It's so weird. But holy crap. It has arrived. Let's see. I do want to take a look at the battery pack. Does look like there could be a little bit of corrosion. So that's something that I should probably be aware of. And the mesh is worn off. It's an old radio, so I mean that's to be expected. It happened with the Uniden, so I'm not surprised it's happened with this one. Wow. I'm probably gonna plug it in instead of using the adapter right now. Yeah, I'm so freaking excited. This is so cool. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Holy crap. Dude! I can't believe I actually have one of these. This is sick. This is actually sick. Oh my god. I genuinely never thought I was gonna get one of these. Okay, we're gonna try to figure out how this works. Do you do volume? Yeah, okay, you do volume. Display. High. Okay, we're gonna keep it on high because I mean the backlight isn't too bright, but it's actually pretty decent on this model. I know there's some models that have darker backlights. This one's pretty decent. Let's do an alert test. Oh my goodness. Siren level. And minute. What? Hold up. Oh, you can set it differently for individual alerts? Okay, that's interesting. We're gonna keep down low. Avalanche. High. Okay. Low water. Anything that's like not a test, I just want to be on high. I think that's how it's set anyway. Child abduction. Flood watch. Flood statement. Oh. High wind. Iceberg warning. Also high. When am I ever gonna get an iceberg warning of all things, huh? Oh, that's a test. Network. National. Power outage. Required monthly test. Definitely low. Required weekly. Also low. I don't think I've ever caught a monthly test on the weather radio before. Wait, hold up. It's going high. Severe thunderstorm. Yeah, I'm just setting most of these to high. Oh, severe weather. Tornado watch. Definitely want that on high. Tropical storm. Transmitter backup on. Wildfire. I think most of these are automatically on high, which is good. Unrecognized. It's unrecognized, it's definitely going on high because it could. It's unrecognized, that typically means that, oh, is that it? Alright. Defeat siren. Okay. Just drag a chair over here. Maybe that'll be easier. That was a lovely noise, I'm betting. Disable. Enable. Avalanche. Enable. Like we'll ever get an avalanche warning. Yeah, we've all heard of the great avalanche that happens in Alabama.
But, yeah, okay, that's disabled automatically, I think. Evacuation watch. I don't know why that would be that's able to be disabled, because I feel like you'd want to keep that on automatically, just because there's a watch, you want to already be packed up and probably prepared, just in case there's a warning. Well, maybe not packed up, just like, maybe like some kind of start, I think, just in case something does happen. I'm not worried about a lot of these. Okay, that's network notification, I think.
Okay, good. Alright. Wait, no. New alerts. Alert type. Voice. Alright, good. County. Any. Yeah. Alarm. Off. That's right. Time. Okay, we've set pretty much everything up on the radio. Let's just check the time. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. It is currently 5:23. We'll cut that out of the video. That's something saved for later. I do actually plan on doing a face reveal. The camera tried to do it for me, but not in this video. And I do plan to actually do it. I'm not going to go off my word. I hit 1K a bit ago, and I just never got around to doing it. Mostly for personal reasons. I'm not going to get into that. But I promise I will do it soon. Some people that have been here since like probably 2022, I think, or 2023 would already kind of know what I look like. But I can load the default. Yeah, we've gone through everything on here, so that's cool. Power/mode. What does this do? No messages? Oh. Wait. Wait! Oh, okay, so power/mode goes to the channel. I don't think it's big on DXing. We're definitely not going to get channel 5.
Showers in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles.
Oh.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the morning. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
I wonder why all of the buttons seem to do scroll.
Thursday night, mostly cloudy.
Is there a specific button for
Showers
the weather, or
likely
do you
with
have to
a
do
chance of
power/mode
thunderstorms in the evening,
each time?
then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
I think you have to do power/mode pretty much every time.
70s. Southwest.
I don't know how to turn it off, honestly.
17th. Showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms.
Keep forgetting.
Heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%.
I might just mute the volume on it and keep it on weather band. So I think I can just do that, because I'll just figure out how to turn it off like after the unboxing. Okay, I don't think I can go to the menu. Oh wait.
A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in
Wait, no, the tune
and
just...
thunderstorms after midnight.
I can't do anything!
Sunday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunder. 70%.
I don't know how to back out of the...
Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
That's so interesting.
Highs in the upper 80s.
Is there any, like...
Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Partly
Alright, I'll
cloudy
just...
with a chance of showers. Lows in the lower
I
70s.
want to keep messing around with it, but
50%.
I don't know if I can do that for now. I'll see how it works. Maybe there's a manual that came with it. Okay, no, there's not. Okay, I'll just watch a video of how someone else set it up, and I'll see if that will work to be able to figure out how to turn on and off the weather broadcast, or just like everything else in general. So yeah, Maybe I have to go to something else besides being on FM? Maybe? No, I don't think that's it. Oh wait, it's 'cause I don't know how to work it. So yeah, we'll just go back to weather band for now, and I'm just gonna leave it alone and watch a video on how to possibly get back to the menu. Alright, I managed to figure out on my own, you hold down the same button as the power/mode button. You just hold that down in order to back out. So, just like I said I was gonna do, we're gonna go back to the alert test, and we're gonna do a wonderful... Boom. Alright. So yeah, again, hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm really happy that I managed to get this weather radio. This is amazing. I love this thing so much. It's so unique looking. And I don't know, I just love something about the screen, the backlight and everything. I just love about that too. So I'm really glad I was able to get this, especially because of its unique design and how insanely rare it is. I mean, it's taken me a while to actually find one. So, yeah. I'm gonna go mess around with this radio. And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.